Is your T-Mobile gateway constantly restarting? You're not alone in experiencing this frustrating issue. Around 15 to 20% of T-Mobile home internet customers experience gateway restart problems. These issues peak during summer months due to overheating, after major firmware updates, and during periods of network congestion. There are three primary causes behind these restart issues. Understanding these causes is essential for identifying and fixing the problem. The first major cause is power supply problems. Original adapters rated at 12 volts and 3 amps can degrade over time, leading to insufficient power delivery. Voltage fluctuations and cable degradation also cause protective shutdowns. Overheating is the second major cause. Gateways automatically restart when internal temperature exceeds 70 degrees Celsius or 158 degrees Fahrenheit. This happens due to poor ventilation or dust-blocking cooling systems. The third cause involves firmware-related problems. These include memory leaks that gradually consume system resources, network stack issues during 5G to 4G handoffs, and problems from incomplete or corrupted firmware installations. Identifying the specific cause is crucial for effective troubleshooting. There are several diagnostic indicators you can look for. Watch for LED patterns that cycle rapidly between colors, indicating restart loops. Check connection logs for frequent disconnection and reconnection events. Monitor the gateway's temperature if possible, and feel if the power adapter is getting unusually hot. Understanding these causes and warning signs puts you in a much better position to diagnose and resolve gateway restart issues. In the next section, we'll cover specific troubleshooting steps and solutions. Now that we understand why T-Mobile gateways restart, let's walk through the step-by-step troubleshooting process to fix these issues and keep your internet connection stable. Step 1 is verifying your power supply. Power issues cause 30% of all gateway restart problems, so this is often the quickest fix. First, test with a known good power adapter. If you have another T-Mobile gateway or similar device, try swapping the power adapters to see if the restart problem follows the adapter. Pay special attention to the power adapter recall. Between January and June 2024, T-Mobile recalled approximately 50,000 defective power adapters that were causing random restarts. Step 2 addresses overheating, which causes 45% of all restart issues. Heat is the biggest enemy of electronic devices, and T-Mobile gateways generate significant heat during operation. Relocate your gateway to a cooler, well-ventilated area away from direct sunlight, heating vents, and other heat sources. Elevate the device to improve airflow underneath. In Phoenix, Arizona, during the summer of 2024, T-Mobile distributed free cooling stands to customers experiencing overheating issues. This simple solution reduced overheating-related restarts by 85%. Step 3 tackles firmware issues. Sometimes the gateway's software becomes corrupted or outdated, causing instability and restart loops. Try a factory reset first. This clears any corrupted settings and returns the gateway to its default state. You can also manually check for firmware updates through the T-Mobile Internet app. Step 4 focuses on long-term prevention strategies to keep your gateway running smoothly and avoid future restart issues. Schedule regular maintenance every 3 months. Clean the device, check connections, and monitor the environment. Proactively replace components like power adapters if they show signs of wear. Finally, if these troubleshooting steps don't resolve your restart issues, it's time to contact T-Mobile support for professional assistance and possible hardware replacement. Remember, these troubleshooting steps resolve the majority of gateway restart issues. Power supply problems have an 85% success rate, while thermal management fixes work 78% of the time. Complete unit replacement succeeds 95% of the time when other methods fail.